Hi there, hola, and welcome to my YouTube channel here at Benidorm and beyond. I'm an English woman who's lived here in the town for over 20 years, and my aim is to give you a different take on all there is to see, do and enjoy in Benidorm and the surrounding areas, so here we go. With footage of each project that is being carried out shown before and then how it currently looks. Although still pleasant weather-wise, especially in the daytime, and still busy enough with many older travellers choosing this more restful time of year to visit, many of the hotels and bigger bars and nightclub venues choose to update themselves between the winter months of January and March, making them ready to hit the ground running for Easter and then of course the upcoming summer season. We start at the 4-star Superior Hotel Gold Arcos on Calle Lepanto with the first footage you see filmed in December 2022. This week we can see that the construction team are in and appear to be building a porch or covered walkway to the hotel, no doubt to provide some welcome shade from the sun for those arriving or indeed those waiting for their transfer bus back to the airport. Next up we see the 4-star Hotel Marina along Calle Girona or the Strip. Here we see that the whole swimming pool and sunbathing area is being freshened up, with the surrounding on-site bars now being just shells, the pool having been drained and the surrounding solarium area also having work done. Old furniture, freezers and fridges from the bars are sitting forlornly around the outskirts, but as always I'm sure it will be finished off well, ready for the busier season ahead. Next we move to the Rincon de Loix area, where we firstly see the premises of Mariano's 24-hour bar, restaurant and takeaway, which let's face it is almost a Benidorm institution, and then adjacent the extremely popular Piccadilly karaoke bar. Both are currently closed, with Mariano's being shut for its annual deep clean and staff holidays, which take approximately a month in total, and they are due to reopen again on February the 10th. Next door, the Piccadilly bar is having a new floor laid, Moving back to the Strip once more, we see the old Scruffy Murphy's Irish pub, which was established back in 1997. Angus and Monica, who have happily and successfully run the pub for many years, decided to sell up in November 2022 after receiving an offer they just couldn't refuse, and have said that the new owners will be Spanish and will be opening up a completely different sort of business. Now moving along to the Red Lion bar, with the first footage you see taken during the November fiestas last year, we can see that the builders, electricians and welders are well and truly in. The venue will be closed for a few weeks during this update and promise exciting new changes, so I guess we'll all have to wait a while to see what they may be. If you'd like to support my channel and future vlogs by making a small donation, you can now buy me a coffee, or even 2 or 3. Just click on the down arrow next to the vlog title, which brings you to the description of this video. Then follow the link provided at the bottom. It's really that simple. Thank you so much. Next we see Cafe Ramon, which is located towards the very end of the Levante beachfront promenade at the Rincon de Loix end. Trading since 1975, this cafe bar and restaurant is always busy, but as you can see it is currently papered over, with skips and building materials outside, so it must be having either a spruce up or a refit. This brings us to the end of this short update vlog, and I hope that you've enjoyed seeing some current video footage of your beloved resort of Benidorm and what is going on here at the moment. If you did, please check out some of my other videos which show you many accommodation options in Benidorm, with full reviews and inside footage of lots of the most popular hotels, as well as taking you on street and beach walks and bringing you lots of local news, updates and reviews on cafes, bars and just about anything else I can think of as well. Thanks so much for watching as always, and I'll see you out and about next time. Take care, have a good day, and hasta pronto. Cheers!